Good morning. I'm Barbara Muckerman. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Silversea Cruises, and I have the privilege today of welcoming you to the brand new Silver Moon. We are at the Ancona Fincantieri shipyard taking delivery of the 9th ship in our fleet. This beauty is going to offer 298 suites for our guests, all pure whispered luxury as the signature of Silversea. Not only that, but we are going to have lots of news on this tour, from the salt ecosystem offering the most immersive culinary experience at sea to a completely redesigned Rodam restaurant and a lot of other novelties. Please join me.